Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinataob ng FEU Tamaraws ang UE Red Warriors 25-22, 25-17, 25-15. Best player of the game si JJ Havilo na sa likod ng kanyang 13 points mula sa 11 attacks, 2 blocks. Tinalo naman ng DLSU Green Spikers ang UST Golden Spikers 26-24, 23-25, 25-21, 25-15. Best player of the game si Jericho Adahar sa kanyang 1 block na may kasamang 24 excellent sets. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, tinalo din ng FEU Lady Tamaraws ang UE Lady Warriors 22-25, 25-17, 25-18, 25-27, 15-11. Best player of the game si Jercel Pitalio sa likod ng kanyang 18 points mula sa 14 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace na may kasamang 9 excellent digs at 9 excellent receives. Pinataob naman ng UST Golden Tigresses ang DLSU Lady Spikers 25-18, 25-23, 14-25, 16-25, 15-12. Best player of the game si Jonah Perdido matapos humakot ng 24 points mula sa 21 attacks at 3 blocks. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of February 25, 2024. FEU Tamaraws 3 wins 0 loss, DLSU Green Spikers 2 wins 1 loss, UST Golden Spikers 2 wins 1 loss, NU Bulldogs 1 win 1 loss, Adamson Soaring Falcons 1 win 1 loss, Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 1 loss, UP Fighting Maroon 0 win 2 losses, UE Red Warriors 0 win 3 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of February 25, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 3 wins 0 loss, DLSU Lady Spikers 2 wins 1 loss, FEU Lady Tamaraws 2 wins 1 loss, Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win 1 loss, NU Lady Bulldogs 1 win 1 loss, UE Lady Warriors 1 win 2 losses, Ateneo Lady Eagles 0 win 2 losses, UP Lady Maroons 0 win 2 losses. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong February 28, 2024 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maghaharap ang NU Bulldogs kontra sa Adamson Soaring Falcons alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Ateneo Blue Eagles at UP Fighting Maroons alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutuos ang NU Lady Bulldogs at Adamson Lady Falcons alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ang Ateneo Lady Eagles ang UP Lady Maroons alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.